YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. New camera. So we're on the new Sony ZV-1F. I had a ZV-1 non-F. This is cool, nice. I hope it looks good. Also got a Rode mic. How's that sound? So new setup. Well, why do you got all the new setup, Mitch? Well, because I'm gonna do more car YouTube. I sold everything. Where's all my cars? I got no cars. I got an empty garage. So on the last video I uploaded, I said liquidation sale. I did liquidate. I sold my 2014 Scion FRS, rebuilt title with the tree that fell on it. So the cash FRS, it's gone. I like that car a lot. I know it didn't do good on YouTube, but I really liked it. It sold. And then I sold my most famous car, my 2004 Toyota Celica GTS Turboed. I sold that. On this channel, I did a 7-part series on installing the turbo and getting it going. I did a dyno video. I did everything on it. Ended up running really, really good towards the end. And I sold it. It has so many mods. I actually just did a video for that too, so go watch that. I have no cars. I've sold everything. Nah, that's not true. I'm never gonna sell this one. I got my Lotus EXIGE right here. So this is my 2006 Lotus EXIGE. It's my favorite car I've ever owned, ever. It's absolutely the GOAT. It's my favorite car. It is the best handling car for the street, period. Said and done. There is no, this is, I've got it, God mode right here. So I love this car. I've driven it a lot. I bought the car in 2021, so 4 years I believe, and I finally was able to get a lot of miles on a Lotus. I bought it with 17,000 miles on it. 17, that's pretty low, and it now has 25,000 miles, and I'm really proud. So I put, it was like 17,900, and now it's at 25,000. So I spent like, or I put about 8,000 miles on it, so about 2,000 miles a year. But I've really enjoyed them, and I'm going to continue to daily drive it for a little bit. But that being said, this is the only car that I have that's black and red on the channel. I'm staying with the black and red theme. So I'm going to be staying with the black and red theme on a new car that's coming, but over the next couple of videos, I'm going to do some good content on this car. We're going to be doing some spark plugs on it. We're going to be doing a car wash. I'm going to be fixing the headliner on it. I'm going to show you guys that on the next video. I'm going to be putting an LED dome light in the rear. I'm going to be putting some LED license plate lights. But overall, I really, really love this car. So why did I sell everything? Well, I got a new car. So we're gonna have a new car come into the channel. I don't have it yet, but it's in the works coming. And so we're gonna do one of the my favorite types of videos, period. Like literally the, oh, we're gonna put the zoom in, zoom out. The absolute favorite type, which is buying a car a long way from where I live and bringing it to either my new home here or my home here in Washington, or actually over to Florida. So we'll see what I'm gonna do. But I cannot wait to get this new car. I've been putting drops and hints everywhere of what kind of car it is. I even said it on the last video what kind of car it is. And I've been wanting to buy this car since 2024 of September, and I've been working with that same seller, and we finally came to a deal. So I'm really excited. So that's why I liquidated everything, and I was successful. I got rid of the Celica, I got rid of the FRS, keeping the EXIGE, and then going to another super-ish car, super sportish car. That's another hint. So I can't wait. But on this channel, we're going to be doing a couple more mods, like I just said, for the EXIGE. I still have also, so you know, I do have a truck still. So I got the 2007 Tundra, which has so many amazing mods on it. So I still have that. So I still have a great car YouTube channel. Make sure to like and subscribe for all the new content that's coming on. I'm having a car that I'm very excited about. I've had it on my channel before, but never had that version, the newest version on my channel before. So comment down below what you guys think it is. If you've watched my other video, you know it's going to be, I just can't wait. It's going to be one of the best videos. You can tell that I'm happy. It's going to be one of the best videos because I get to pick it up, I get to look it over, I get to drive it. It's everything I wanted, and I'm just really excited. And we're gonna make a lot of good content on the road, which those are my favorite videos. Buying a car a long way away and then bringing it somewhere, all-time favorite videos. I don't know if you know this, but I did drive, if on my other videos, probably like 3 years ago, I did buy a car, or 2 years ago, 3 years ago. I did buy a car in North Carolina and drove it all the way back to Washington. That was insane. Those are some really good videos. I like those. So, and then I also bought this car in California and drove it back up, and it was 900 miles to get that car, or 1100 miles to get that car back home. So this next trip is going to be a minimum of 2,000 miles for the new car that I'm picking up. So I cannot wait. But crazy, I sold everything. I got no cars. Comment down below also if you guys are happy that I got rid of everything, if you're mad I got rid of everything, if I should buy another car that I used to own. And then really like zoomed out big picture is when they do release the new 2025, nah, it won't be 25, probably be like 2027 CELICA. If it is a CELICA name, I will buy it and put it on my name on it, and I'll have it an allocation, and I'll have it the very first, the day you can buy one, I'll put an order in with Toyota. And so I'll build a brand new CELICA. The 8th generation CELICA will be on this channel, I promise you. I'll deliver on that promise. I delivered on the turbo CELICA. I've delivered on a lot of promises. So I promise you guys, if there is a new CELICA, when it does come out, it will be on this channel, and I'll do a minimum of 50 videos on it. So I can't wait for that, if that comes through. In the meantime, the new car that I'm getting, you'll love it. I hope you guys like and subscribe for that car, because there's such little content on the internet for that car, kind of like this. So I've definitely niched with these two cars that I'm going to be putting on the channel, but yeah, that's where I'm at. So I sold everything. Make sure to like, subscribe, come back for some Lotus EXIGE content right up next. It'll be over the next few days, and then probably in about a week for you guys, we'll have the new car reveal on the channel. I can't wait. Like, subscribe, swingbymidshore.com. See you on the next video.